All right, so this is the first time we're going to go through something like this together. These are the slides for Chapter 8.1, or Chapter 8, Section 1, about the era defined by the Articles of Confederation. So we'll start with where we left off. That's usually what we do. So taking a look at where we are in time, we're at 1786 right here. And what has been going on? Well, here's some bullet points for you to tell you exactly how things are. So by 1786, the Revolutionary War has been over for 5 years now. You remember after the Yorktown defeat of Cornwallis, the British surrendered. They realized it wasn't worth it anymore. The losses that they were sustaining did not uh, work for them anymore. The British were defeated, but America was still struggling to figure out what this country was going to be like. They'd already gotten rid of the British, but they needed to know where they were going to go from there. What kind of country were they going to create? Also, as is the case many times, times were really tough for the veterans of the war. A lot of them did not get the money that they'd been promised. Their farms that they came from had not been tended to for some time, and the economy was in dreadful shape. Really, really bad. So some people were getting upset at this time. One of the main reasons why they were getting upset was the veterans of this war that they just fought to get rid of this tyrannical government, the British, were losing their land and their homes. Some of them even up in debtors' prisons, which, if you're not familiar with that, we don't really have those anymore. But that was something, if you fell into debt, like you owed somebody a lot of money and you were unable to pay it back, instead of coming up with a plan for you to pay it back or, something like that, they just threw you in prison. So a lot of people found themselves in prison. So if you click down here, I'm not going to, let's see, can we bring that up? Maybe we can. Ooh, that's not what we wanted. All right,